Okay, so to show this in motion, we have two phones being cast to the screen here. On the left, we have the reporter, and on the right, we have the responder. And the reporter's going in here, and they are going to first fill in a hard-coded form that just indicates that there's some type of incident that happened. They selected the incident type of windshield, give it a severity, a description, the date that it happened, which building it happened in, which state, and these types of things. And this is just every instant has this general information. And as soon as we submit this, it's going to go to the decision engine, and it's actually going to pull in a dynamic form that's specific to that type. So here we had a windshield incident, and you'll see we answered, is the crack larger than a quarter? It automatically updated an additional question. So as soon as we send this, you'll see the responder gets an alert notification that a new incident number 7 has been assigned. So what we have in the background here is a web application. We give it that process ID 7, and it automatically updates the image to show the process where it stands for this particular process. And we're going to go ahead and click auto update so that every couple seconds it's going to update the image to show where we're at. You'll see it started on the left. It did a little work, ran some rules to see if it was a high priority or low priority, and then it assigned it and sent out that notification. So now we're in that big blue box there, which is an ad hoc process. And the responder can go in and see the details. And for example, say, I need a photo of this thing. And as soon as they add that, you'll see that it updates, sends a push notification to the reporter saying that something has changed about this incident. They can go in and take a look. Now, if they go in and they look at these details, then we'll see the comment that was added there, please add a photo. You also see that was attached to the process, so we'll see that in the supervisor app in the background. So if the reporter then takes a photo and uploads that, as soon as I get pushed in, that's also going to get attached to the process, and we'll see not only the responder will get a push notification, you'll see that that photo's been attached to the process, and we'll see it. Both the reporter and the supervisor will see this photo coming in. Okay, so this is an ad hoc process. This can go on and on in a loop until all the information is collected, the comments and the photos are added. When the responder is ready to close the incident, go to this close ticket and select complete, and see that it's updated the status of the incident to complete. We'll see the process in the background is grayed out, the ad hoc process, and now it's waiting for the supervisor who's using the web app to decide whether or not this is accepted and closed. So we just select that, click approve, and we'll see that it grays out on the right and that the original reporter gets a push notification.